It's October 7th, 2025. At OpenAI Dev Day in San Francisco, Sam Altman walked on stage and basically told developers, your whole tech stack? Maybe not word for word, but close enough. OpenAI dropped a stack of features that could change how people build AI apps. Big bet? Turning ChatGPT from chat into an app platform, like an operating system for AI. Instead of opening Spotify, you'll open ChatGPT and type something awkward like, play my weird teenage spiral playlist, and it just presses play for you. No app install, no UI hunting. So smooth, it's scary. If you build for ChatGPT early, distribution looks ridiculous. We're talking hundreds of millions of weekly users. That's a huge opportunity. But I'm skeptical too. Sometimes a purpose-built app UI is just cleaner than routing everything through a chatbot. Chatbots are great for conversations, not always for hitting tiny, precise buttons. Meanwhile, the API updates are real. New models like Sora 2 and GPT-5 Pro are in the API now. Sora 2 will generate high-quality video and cost 50 cents per second, so if you're planning a 1-hour masterpiece, better mortgage your house first. So yeah, making a 1-hour movie could cost you the GDP of a small startup. There are also smaller, cheaper image and voice models if you want to add those features without mortgaging your bank account. One small but useful thing. OpenAI released a GitHub action for codecs that can auto-review PRS. It can check for quality, surface security issues, write docs, basically the kind of code review assistant you wish you had on your team and would never let replace Dave from backend. And finally, the most interesting piece, Agent Kit. Think about it as a unified toolkit to build, deploy, and tune agents. A flowchart canvas where you wire logic instead of hand-coding every integration. It's the no-code/low-code vibe, but aimed specifically at AI agents. That's great for fast prototyping and for non-engineers building complex flows. Caveat: no-code tools hit a complexity ceiling. Sooner or later, a real engineer usually has to rebuild the messy prototype as proper code. Still, Agent Kit is worth checking out. There are also integrations and developer ergonomics improvements. Codecs with GitHub actions, model choices tuned for cost, and tooling to make agents and app workflows easier to ship. In short, more building blocks, more distribution, more ways to waste developer hours, and maybe a few ways to actually save them. If you're a dev, what should you do? Prototype with the new tools, but be realistic about long-term maintenance and cost. If you're building something consumer-facing, think distribution first. ChatGPT apps could give your product an instant audience. If you're building internal tools, Agent Kit and the new models could speed up iteration. Lesson of the day: don't fight the future, it's already coding itself. Adapt fast, experiment faster, and never get too comfortable. Because in tech, the second you relax, an AI somewhere just took your job. Stay curious, and may your prompts always make sense. That's the quick tour. OpenAI just raised the stakes on how apps get built and distributed. And whether that's good or awkward depends on whether you like clicking buttons or typing slightly embarrassing prompts instead.